Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a big warning for you that goes and surfs the web a lot. There is a new scam trying to lure you into getting malware in Windows, and it has to do with a page. So if you go to a website that has this, you'll see a page that kind of gets to full screen pretty much. And this is what it shows, and it suddenly shows you a blue screen saying working on updates, which a lot of people will kind of find that it looks like a Windows Update page as usual. But it actually tells you that to complete the install, you've got to do a certain amount of key presses. So you have to, of course, hold the Windows key and press R to have the run command. Then they tell you, press Control V, because this page actually will put a little command line that you see here in the copy paste. So this, what happens here is you're going to paste this thing, and then it says press OK or enter. And what happens? Well, this is where you get malware and you get problems. It is apparently, according to many security researchers and companies, very common on the web lately, and a lot of people have fallen for it. Remember that Windows updates never ask you to do any commands at all. They're autonomous, they work on their own, and they never show up on the web. They are in Windows updates themselves. So you see here, it's kind of funny because it shows kind of Windows Vista like bar. This is also something you should look at, because this is what it shows, and it's kind of telling you, this is your computer doing an update, but this doesn't feel right just seeing here. And then Windows 11, even worse, because remember that if you have your start menu in the middle, it shouldn't appear like this. So it's not that well done when you look at it, but it definitely is a major issue. So be careful. Remember that going on the web with Windows updates never happens there. If you're in doubt, simply restart. All you got to do if a page like that happens is go and just press that power button and go to the restart. And if you're in doubt, also you can go into your settings and go into the real Windows Update page to check for updates. You'll notice that there are no updates, or if there are, they're the regular updates that will show up in Windows Updates, which are safe. So be very careful on the web. You got to be wary about all of these things happening and all of these things showing up, because these bad guys are trying to lure you into installing malware of all sorts. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.